Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, power key, volume down, and we got these screenshots. You can find them in photos in this special screenshot section. Let me find photos. So here you have this special screenshot section. From here you can share, edit, delete, search with lens, your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.